I'd like to spend the next few minutes talking a little bit about fetal heart rate and the variability that enters into that when monitoring a fetal heart rate. When we think about that, in order to determine the variability in a fetal heart rate, you first have to establish a baseline. A baseline is established by taking a 10-minute strip, a reading for 10 minutes of the fetal heart rate, and finding within that 10 minutes 2 minutes in which there is a consistency in the heartbeat, no marked variability, nor do you pay attention to parts of that 10-minute strip that might include episodic or periodic changes due to various factors. So you're looking for 2 minutes of a heartbeat that is more or less consistent, falling within this range between absent and moderate in terms of changes to the heart rate. So when establishing your baseline, you take the 10-minute strip, find the 2 minutes where there is basic consistency in the fetal heart rate, no episodic or periodic impingements on it, no marked changes, and marked is basically change by 25 heartbeats or more per minute. So we're going to establish the baseline then by looking at the 10-minute strip, finding the 2 minutes there, and then from that baseline you can look at the whole strip and determine what sort of variability there is in the fetal heart rate. And you would categorize it in one of the 4 ways. The first way is absent. This basically means there is no variability discernible, no change in the baseline amplitude whatsoever. A minimal variability would be no more than 5. It would be 5 or less heartbeats per minute change between the baseline that's been established. A moderate variability then would be between 6 and 25 heartbeats per minute change or difference between the baseline that you've established. And then finally, marked variability in the fetal heart rate would be greater than 25 heartbeats per minute change. It's important that you know this range, this categorization of the fetal heart rate in order that you might accurately determine the variability and establish the baseline in monitoring fetal heart rates.